Assalamualaikum. Today I will explain about my first assignment, which is I need to explain about array list and also linked list. So we go to the array list first. I choose rainfall class question, which is I need to calculate the total, average, and most, and the least rain for each month. So we go to our Blue.j. First of all, we need to create a new class called rainfall. So we're gonna import the library first. So first of all, we're gonna create a array list, a new array list called rainfall. We're gonna use double data type. Right here we put 12 because the size is gonna be 12. And then we're also gonna create an array to store the each name for each month. So after we done create the array, we gonna need to insert the data for each month. We're gonna use for loop. And we're gonna use scanner for this one. So we need to add one thing, which is scanner. So right here, the data is double. This for the input. Then we go to the question one, which is the total rainfall for the year. To do this, we need to sum all of rainfall by using for loop. Before that, we need to initialize a new variable, which is total. To calculate rainfall, total rainfall. Beside that, we also want to calculate the average, the most and the least. So we're gonna just add inside this for loop too, using if. To know the location, we're gonna use max index for the most and min index for the least. we're gonna use another if. Okay, so this is for the most and the least one. Then we're gonna answer the how to calculate the average. From the total, we will gonna divide by 12. So we're gonna create a new variable called average. Then we're just gonna print the output. Which is we're just gonna call the month and put the max index. Just gonna change into min index. So we're gonna compile it and try to run it. So fetch one area. Okay, so this is the output. That's for the part A. So we're gonna continue with our part B question, which is I choose the first one. It's about collection string of names and some operation. So we go to our BlueJ. So we're gonna create new class. I call it LinkedList. Okay. So we're gonna like the other one. We need to import the library. Okay. Then like always. So first of all, we're gonna create the linked list. So after that, the question asks us to put name 5 to add 5 from 2 from in front and 2 from the back. So we're gonna just put the first name by using add, and I'm just write my name. Okay, so to put from the in front, we're gonna use add first. So just type add first, the capital F, and in the bracket put the name like my friend name. Okay, so we need to put two names, two names from the in front. So, however, if you want to put it on the back, we're gonna use at last. last. Yes. So if you want to check, you can just print out the linked list. Yes. Okay, so we're gonna see first. Okay, see, it's already stored the data. So we go to the next question, which is to delete the last and first element from the list. So to remove, we're gonna use we see the question asks us to remove from the last and first, right? So we're gonna use if method to check whether it's already in the last name or not. By using is empty. Then remove using remove first. Okay, to remove the from in front. Okay. And to if you want to remove from the last, we just use remove last. It's kind of similar with the add. Just like this. Okay. So if you want, you can check it just by using print line. Yes. So we're gonna try. See, it's already removed Hazik and also Fitri. First from the front in front and from the last one. So we go to the next question, which is the number of elements in the list. Okay, the number. So for the number, we need to calculate the size, right? We're gonna use the keyword which is size. Method called size. Yes. See. So to know the size, just system.out again. Just like this. See, Shaz, Harraz, and Shakri, here we calculate 3. So it's mean it right. Then we go to the determine either the name exists or not in the list. Okay, so for this, we're gonna use content method and also if else method. First of all, we need to create a new variable to store what um, what name you want to search. For example, I want to find my name, Harraz. Okay, so by using if next dot contain search, then okay, like this. So we're gonna try. So you see Harraz is this. Okay, okay, and the last one is we want to print all the name in the list. So to print all, just print the linked list name. For example, system.out. Line. Test. Okay, issue. The first is it. Also, you're gonna print all the data inside the linked list. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.